Welcome back, adventurers. Prepare yourselves as we embark on a delectable journey across Europe to discover the top 10 cities for chocolate lovers. From the cobbled streets of Brussels to the alpine air of Zurich, each destination offers a unique and tantalizing chocolate experience. Pack your bags, grab your sweet tooth, and join us as we uncover the rich history, craftsmanship, and sheer indulgence in these chocolate paradises. Our journey begins in Brussels, Belgium, a city practically built on pralines and truffles. For centuries, Brussels has been a hub for master chocolatiers, crafting exquisite creations that have captivated the world. Names like Godiva and Neuhaus, synonymous with luxury, originated here, their legacy living on in every decadent bite. Sample the classic Belgian praline, a delicate shell of chocolate encasing a smooth, melt-in-your-mouth filling. From Belgium, we venture to Zurich, Switzerland. Zurich is synonymous with iconic Swiss brands like Lindt and Sprungli, renowned for their smooth, velvety chocolate. No trip to Zurich is complete without a visit to Confectionery Sprungli, a veritable institution in the world of chocolate. Indulge in their signature Luxemburgerli, a miniature macaron-like treat that will leave you craving for more. Prepare to be swept off your feet by the romance and elegance of Paris, a city that exudes charm and sophistication at every corner. Here, chocolate is not just a treat, but an elevated art form, crafted with precision and passion. Step inside the elegant boutiques of Patrick Roger, where the ambience is as rich as the chocolate itself. Marvel at the intricate sculptures crafted from chocolate that adorn the displays, each piece a testament to the chocolatier's skill and creativity. For a taste of true decadence, seek out Pierre Hermé, often hailed as the Picasso of pastry, whose exquisite macarons and chocolate creations are masterpieces in their own right, blending flavors and textures in perfect harmony. Allow yourself to be seduced by the delicate flavors and textures, each bite a journey through layers of taste and sensation, a true testament to the French passion for culinary perfection and their dedication to the art of chocolate making. Our chocolate adventure takes us next to Barcelona, a city where history, art, and gastronomy intertwine. Barcelona's love affair with chocolate dates back centuries, and the city is home to a fascinating chocolate museum. Indulge in a cup of thick, rich Spanish hot chocolate, traditionally served with churros, long, crispy fried dough pastries perfect for dipping. The combination is simply irresistible, a true taste of Barcelona. Step back in time to Bruges, Belgium, a charming medieval city plucked from a fairy tale. With cobblestone streets, picturesque canals, and stunning architecture, Bruges offers a magical escape from the modern world. Bruges is renowned for its chocolate craftsmanship. The city is home to some of the finest chocolatiers, perfecting the art of chocolate making over centuries. The aroma of freshly made chocolate invites you to indulge. Explore the numerous chocolate shops lining the narrow streets, each a treasure trove of pralines, truffles, and other treats. Watch master chocolatiers at work and sample their creations. Visit Choco-Story, the chocolate museum, to learn about the history of chocolate making. Interactive exhibits and demonstrations take you on a journey through the fascinating world of chocolate. Our journey takes us next to Cologne, Germany, a city renowned for its stunning cathedral and delicious chocolate. No visit to Cologne is complete without a visit to the Imhof Chocolate Museum, a fascinating interactive museum. Indulge in the unique flavors of Stolwerk chocolate, a local favorite known for its innovative creations and high-quality ingredients. If you're enjoying our delicious journey so far, please like and subscribe. Prepare to be captivated by the imperial grandeur of Vienna, Austria, a city steeped in history and a love for all things sweet. Vienna is the birthplace of the iconic Sachertorte, a decadent chocolate cake with a thin layer of apricot jam. No trip to Vienna is complete without experiencing a slice of this legendary dessert. Beyond the Sachertorte, Vienna is renowned for its exquisite pralines, delicately crafted with the finest ingredients. Our chocolate adventure takes us next to Turin, Italy, a city steeped in history and a passion for culinary excellence. Turin is the birthplace of Gianduja, a unique and delectable chocolate hazelnut paste. For a truly immersive chocolate experience, plan your visit to coincide with Cioccolato, Turin's annual chocolate festival. This extravaganza celebrates everything chocolate, with tastings, demonstrations, and an abundance of chocolate delights to sample. Our chocolate exploration leads us to Amsterdam, a city renowned for its canals and vibrant chocolate scene. Amsterdam embraces chocolate with a sense of adventure, blending classic techniques with unique and unexpected flavors. Explore the charming Nine Streets district, where you'll find a treasure trove of independent chocolate shops. Don't be afraid to try something new and exciting. You might just discover your new favorite chocolate creation. Our final destination takes us to London, a city that needs no introduction. Known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and iconic landmarks, London is a melting pot of experiences waiting to be discovered. Beyond its historical significance, London is also a haven for chocolate lovers, home to some of the world's most renowned chocolatiers. From traditional recipes to modern innovations, the city's chocolate scene is as diverse as its population. For a taste of true luxury, visit Hotel Chocolat, known for its elegant boutiques and exquisite, ethically sourced chocolate. Their range of products, from silky truffles to rich dark chocolate bars, promises an indulgent experience for every palate. Or venture to Paul A. Young Fine Chocolates, where innovative flavors and high-quality ingredients create a truly unique chocolate experience. Each piece is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, offering a symphony of flavors that will delight any chocolate connoisseur. Whether you prefer classic combinations or adventurous new tastes, Paul A. Young has something special for everyone. Our European chocolate adventure comes to an end, but the memories of these delectable destinations will linger long after the last bite. The world is full of chocolate wonders just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Remember, there's always time to explore.